What's up, y'all? Welcome to the vlog. Today we will be doing a front lip install on a 2009 Nissan Maxima. I talked about in the previous video that I will be doing that, so let's check it out. So right now it looks so plain in the front, and I wanted to add life to it, and this should do it. And let's do it. Right now it only got 2 screws on each side, and it actually will hold really good. Like I already pre-drilled a hole here. All I gotta do is screw it back into it like this. Make sure it's all the way. So I walk around this way, make sure I get the center all the way in like this, and it stays. I come this way, I already pre-drill a hole here also. I already got a screw holding to it, so I just gotta line it up. I don't have to take the wheel off. I just come here, push the fender out like this. It's not going nowhere. So let's go see how it looks now. It looks pretty good. Like right now, maybe later on, I will put 3M tape down on the bottom between the car and the front lip thing, so it can be a little bit more flush, but it looks pretty good from how it was. Now it brought life to it. And then later on I'm gonna paint this and this black, and then I'm going to wrap it carbon fiber. I'm gonna wrap the hood also carbon fiber, so it's gonna look really good. But for now, it looks good. It's not gonna go nowhere. It's pretty flush to me. It looks good. So it's looking pretty good for now. So that's one of the little mods I wanted to do real quick. So later on I will repaint it and then wrap it carbon fiber. Everything chrome on this car, like all this right here, everything that's chrome all the way around is gonna be black. On the side, on the back piece, is chrome. Everything chrome will be black. So this car gonna be black, carbon fiber, and burgundy. It's gonna look real good. And then on the next video, I'm gonna put the new wheels on. It's gonna look so good. It's gonna be 20 by 10 all the way around. And for now, I just want to do the front lip stall, so it's pretty easy. So I wanted to show y'all that. And this is gonna be a short video, but the next one should be longer. And the car looking good. It's coming along good. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. I'll see y'all later.